When it comes to someone who is a beginner, especially a young Christian, I would advise such a person to first master Christian doctrine. Wait to do apologetics after you've been firmly grounded doctrinally. So I would encourage a beginner to get a book like Bruce Milne's Know the Truth, which is a very nice survey of Christian doctrine. And once you've been doctrinally grounded, then I think you can begin to study the arguments and evidence in support of that Christian worldview. And here I would begin with a popular level book like Lee Strobel's The Case for Christ. This is a very easy read. It is entertaining, it's congenial, and yet that book has real substance in it. It is a good book on the evidence that it surveys. So I think starting with Strobel's Case for Christ would be a good place for the beginner to begin. And then I would like to see him go to my popular level book, On Guard, which is a kind of one-stop training manual for the young Christian in Christian apologetics. It will give him some arguments for God's existence. It will give him responses to the principal atheistic objections against the existence of God, and then it will give him evidences for the radical personal claims of Jesus and his resurrection from the dead in vindication of those radical claims. And then it will close out with the defense of the view that Christ and Christ alone is the way to salvation and the way to God. So if a student or a beginner can master the arguments in On Guard, and by that I mean memorize the arguments, understand them, know how to share them and defend them, not just read the book. If he will master the arguments in On Guard, I can guarantee on the basis of decades of experience that he will be able to deal with 95% of the objections that he will confront in sharing his faith with unbelievers.